Hello everybody and welcome back on my channel. My name is Alex and today we're gonna make the next part from the pipe range. And this is how it's going to look. So let's start. First we'll have to open a new SolidWorks document, select here part. And now let's make this plane white and let's open a sketch in the front plane. Here we'll start with line and let's make the next sketch. And now with smart dimension, let's define this. This line here will have 100 millimeters. This one will have 6.25. And now here will be 17.76 divided by 2. And here will be 23.76 divided by 2. Alright, now go to features, use revolved boss base command. And here select this line as axis of revolution. Press OK. This is looking good. Now select this face, open a sketch. And then with this face still selected, select here convert entities command. And now we'll go to features, go to curves, click on this arrow and select here helix and spiral. And these settings should be added to this helix. The pitch will be 6. If it's going this way, click here reverse the direction. The revolutions will be 14.5 and the start angle 80 degrees. Now press OK. And let's open a sketch in the front plane again. And let's make the next sketch. Select line. Select line and let's make the next triangle. Just like this. Actually, let's select line again. And we'll start with a line just like this and then make something like this. And now with smart dimension, let's define it. So first, this line here will have 0.5. Alright, from this point to this edge here will be 6. And now let's select sketch fillet and we'll make the radius 0.67. And we'll have to select these 3 corners. Press OK. Actually here this dimension we'll have to delete it for now. And we'll have to put it back right now. 0.5. Should have this line after we make this sketch fillet. Okay, and now from this point to this one, it will be 4.8. And now let's see. Let's make these two equal. And now this is fully defined. Now select this line with this other one and make them construction geometry. And now with line, let's close this sketch. And now go to features, use swept boss base command. And here we'll keep sketch profile. This sketch we just made should be selected here. And I'll have to select the path, which will be this helix. And select here this one. and press OK. Nice. Why is this? Okay, I don't know why it's so much outside, but it doesn't matter. Now let's hide this spiral and let's open a sketch. Actually, first, let's save it in this stage because we're gonna use it later to make another part. So select here save as and just give it a name. And now let's keep going. Don't forget to save it because this is an important step. And now let's open a sketch on this face. And here let's select center line. Let's make a center line horizontal. And now select corner rectangle. We make here a rectangle. Select this center point with this midpoint. Select here make vertical. And now select this rectangle with this center line and select here mirror. And with smart dimension, let's give a dimension between these two. And here will be 12.7. Alright, this one should have 12.5. And now this one should have 40. Now go to features, use extruded cut. And here we'll select true or both. Press OK. Okay, what we'll have to do now is to make the rectangles the other way. So in my case, I'm just going to delete them. And I'm gonna make them again. First mirror and then the distance here 12.7. This one 12.5. This one 40. And now this midpoint with this one horizontal. Alright, now let's see. Now it's looking better. But we still have to do one more thing. Because this helix in my case was quite strange. I don't know why. Anyway, let's do one more thing. If you have the same problem as me, we'll open a sketch on this face. And here select circle. Make a circle that should be bigger than our part. So let's make it 35. Go to features, use extruded cut. And here we'll select to reverse the direction and keep it through all. Press OK. And now it should look better. Okay, now let's do the next thing. Now we'll open a sketch in the top plane, right plane. And here we'll make the next sketch, select a line. We'll start from this point. We'll go up and here we'll make a small arc and then another arc like this. Then with line, we'll go back to this point and back to this point. Now make this line vertical. And now let's use smart dimension to define this sketch. It will be 32 millimeters. This one will have the radius 6. This one will have the radius 65. Here this dimension will be 36. And this one here will be 20. Now go to features, use extruded boss base command. And here will be 12.5. And instead of blind, make it mid plane. Press OK. Now select this face, open another sketch. And here select center rectangle. Let's make a rectangle just like this, and then select this line with this one. Select here make collinear. We'll have to do the same thing for this one with this one. Collinear. And now with smart dimension, we'll have to give a dimension to this line. And here will be 18.25. Make this point with this one. Okay. This point with this one, make it vertical. So just find the point that it's in the middle of this part. And if you want to make sure that it's good, here is 288 and here is also the same. Alright, now go to features and use extruded boss base command. And here we'll keep blind and here will be 8 millimeters. Press OK. And now what we'll have to do is to go to this arrow, go to insert, go to part, click on it, and now go to browse. Look for the first part we just made for this pipe wrench, which will be the handle. Click here open, and then select the part and let's insert it. Click here yes. And now we'll have to use mate to align this part here. So first select this face with this one and should select here coincide. Make sure that it's not like this. Make sure that this part is facing inside this, not outside like here. So we'll select here, flip the mate alignment. Now this is good. Click here add, and now we'll have to add more. Select this face with this one. As we can see, is not the right way. Now I'll have to click here again to flip the mate alignment. Now this is looking better. Click here add, and I'll have to add one more, which will be distance. So we'll click on distance. The distance will be 0, and we'll have to select one of these lines. Make sure that it's one line from inside, not this one. And with this face, now we can see that this is inside our part that we want to make. And everything is looking good, everything is aligned. Click here add and press OK. Now what we'll have to do is to go up here and select intersect. And now select this body with this one. Select here first one, create intersecting regions. Click here intersect. And now we'll have to select here the regions we want to delete from our part that intersects with the other one that we imported. So we have to look for these ones, this one, this one, this, like this. And we'll have to click here to exclude them, to delete them. As we can see, we click them and they disappear from here. Okay, and we'll have to do this until all of these that are extra are gone. Be careful, because in my case, when I click on the 9 region, everything is disappearing, so don't do that. Click on the 10th one, and this is how it should look at the end. Now go up here and press OK. Good. Now what we'll have to do is to delete this extra part here. To do that, select this face, open a sketch. With the face selected, select here Convert Entities command. Go to Features, use Extruded Cut. Instead of True All, select Up to Surface, and we'll select this face. And press it OK. Nice. Now this is looking better. Now this was the tutorial for today. I hope you liked it. If you want to see the next one, you can subscribe, you can leave a comment, you can like if you liked it. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.